mask on because I'm in line at Aspen, which is a coffee company in my college town. I don't have my camera, so I'm having to do this on my phone. But yeah, I just took an exam or a test, and so I came to reward myself with coffee, because how else would you reward yourself? Sorry. Oh, I just got hand sanitizer in my eye. It burns. But yeah, but I don't have much planned for the day other than resting because I still don't feel my best. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I hope you can hear me through the mask. So yeah, I just went and shipped out a package to my parents, and I am just gonna get this coffee, go home, chill, rest, do a bunch of homework. I have a project due tonight. And yeah, so I gotta go because I'm about to pull up and pay, but. So this for sure is how I've been spending most of my time, because like I said, I'm sick. So yeah, I just got back. I went and took my test. I went and got a coffee, and because I wanted like a warm coffee in my throat. Should have gotten tea probably, but yeah, I just cooked lunch. I have a really bad headache. My throat is starting to hurt again, so it's not gonna be a very exciting vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat, and then I'll catch up with you guys and talk about school and everything. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann, and today I am continuing. I don't think I talked yesterday on the vlog thing I filmed, but I'm continuing probably a weekend in my life, maybe a week in my life. But it is Saturday. It's Labor Day weekend. If you guys watched my last video, then you know I was sick for the past week and a half. I'm still not feeling my best. I've taken all my antibiotics and everything, but I'm still a little tired and under the weather, so I decided to stay in town for Labor Day. But yeah, like I said, it's about 3 o'clock, I think. Let me shut my door. Yeah, it's 2:58. I have to run some errands. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, to Sprouts, probably to Starbucks, to be honest, because I have a gift card from my mom. And yeah, and then I have to come back, work on homework, make up my bed. My sheets are washing right now, do some more laundry, do some more cleaning, and yeah, so that's about it. I'm wearing my typical outfit, t-shirt and leggings. I'm wearing the Sea Island Yacht Club t-shirt, my Lululemon leggings, and my Adidas tennis shoes that I have got to wash. I'll wash them after I wash all my clothes. But yeah, my hair's not looking the best. I didn't want to wash it again because I washed it last night. Hey guys, what's up? So I just left Starbucks. I got, I'm trying the macro barista low carb pink drink. Never had the regular pink drink, so I'm not really sure how it's gonna taste, but I mean, it looks good. It's just a venti passion tea, mango iced tea with no liquid cane sugar, add a scoop of strawberry and light coconut milk, and then I put 2 stevia in it. Oh my god, it's so good. I haven't had the passion tea. I used to get that all the time, but so definitely recommend. That's 10 out of 10. I gotta put my tripod thing back up because it's the worst angle in the world. But yeah, it's now 4 o'clock. I'm gonna run into TJ Maxx and see what they have. I would really like some fall decor or candles and stuff, and I just want to kind of plunder. Anywho, I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys. Did not lock the door. I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and I'm gonna eat dinner. I went and picked up, it's called Golden Dragon. It's super, super yummy, but let me put you guys down. So I went to TJ Maxx and got a couple things. They're kind of boring, sorry. They're just like things I needed that I realized once I got back to Oklahoma. I got a new bath mat. It's like kind of like a gray seafoam color. Ooh. I got another strainer because I have like a big one, but I need like a smaller one. I got these super cute friend stickers. They were literally like $2, so I was like, oh yeah. I got some more towels, dish towels. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried the skinny syrup version of things. I usually get the Starbucks, so I got the mocha one to try and see how I like it. I probably should research it before I use it because I literally know nothing about it. Just to make sure like it's okay to eat. Let's see. Oh, I got these just like clips for chip clips also for the fridge. They're magnetic. I'll probably like put some pictures or quotes or something on there. Let's see. Oh, this is the mug I got from my roommate. This is how you brew it, and then it has Central Perk because we watch Friends together every day. Basically, I've been wanting to order this from Amazon. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I forgot my like wet roller, so I'm gonna see if it's the same. If not, I'm gonna have to order another like little, what is it, like chill roll. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys watch my channel. I used to use it all during the summer and I haven't used it at all. Okay. Oh, I got Himalayan salt. It's just the Martha Stewart brand. They had a bunch of different kinds. This is just the one I chose. Last but not least, and the thing I actually went there for, is a new candle. Now let's see how it smells now that it's not in the store and you have I had it in 95 on. Yeah, it still smells the same. It smells like just like the volcano candle. And it's only like $6. Yeah, $6. So if you're looking for like a cheap alternative, it's the brand Sensational, and it's just called Storm. Natural soy candle, hand poured in the US. So yeah, can't wait. So yeah, that's all I got from TJ Maxx. I was gonna go grocery shopping, but I got hungry and I didn't really have enough time, so I decided just to order dinner. And I picked it up. Like I said, I'll show you guys what it is in a second. It's just sesame chicken. And I'm gonna do grocery shopping tomorrow, and tonight I'm just gonna edit a video and work on homework because I have a bunch of homework I need to do. And yeah, that's about it. So go Pokes, baby. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Golden Dragon is literally the best. It's in Stillwater. If you're in Stillwater, definitely check them out. So guys, like I said, I just got Golden Dragon. If you're in the Stillwater area, it's so good. It's just Chinese food. I got sesame chicken, which I'm about to show you guys, with fried rice, and I just got like egg drop soup. And yeah, I'm currently watching Levi Bernhardt's YouTube video, just catching up some YouTube. I got my water, got my food. Here it is. Oh my gosh, so yummy.
Of like the two that I would want, like one there and then I'd want another one on the other side. But
hey guys, what's up? It's Monday. It's wrong thing. It's Labor Day weekend. I just got to my therapist's office. I have a therapy appointment, and then afterwards I'm going to run a few errands. I need to go to CVS and the grocery store, but honestly I might go to the grocery store over here so I don't have to go into Sprouts, just because it's more affordable and they have the same stuff that I need, because I just need some produce and I don't need any like health food or anything. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I might go walk around campus or something just to get outside because I've been stuck inside for a week. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, hey guys, what's up? I'm done with therapy. I have got to put in my my little suction cup for my camera, or I've got to get my tripod because I suck at holding it up and my arm already hurts. Weak. But yeah, so it is 3:38 now. I'm in the Starbucks line. I've been in the Starbucks line for like 10 minutes already, but I was gonna go grocery shopping, but I realized I left my wallet, so I came here. I am going to get myself a little post-therapy treat for myself, you know, just post going through trauma, Starbucks refreshment. I'm just kidding, halfway kidding. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, I'm feeling good. I love having therapy. It really helps me, and I'm definitely a huge supporter of, if you need help, get help. It's nothing to be ashamed of. I am going to get this drink, probably go back to my apartment, and do some laundry, and then I'll probably just walk over to Sprouts because it's just easy, and I can get my exercise in for the day. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get that dragon drink. I got the, not dragon drink, the low carb pink drink I got the other day and showed you guys in my last vlog. I'll link it down below. It's from the Macro Barista, and it is so freaking yummy. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna continue to wait in line, and I will just talk to you guys when I am done. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back at my apartment. Let me pause that. I'm in my room. I just started some laundry. I forgot to show y'all like an entire haul, but I'll go in there and show y'all what I got from Sprouts. I just needed a couple things. So yeah, sorry I look so rough. Oh my god. It's so hot outside. Oh my god, I look hideous though. So okay, so I got some coffee because I'm out of my Nespresso and my package hasn't come in yet with my refills. I got some cotton candy grapes. They're so good. I got a bottle of water. It's just like one of those big bottles with electrolyte water. I got a pineapple kombucha. It's my favorite flavor. It's so yummy. I'm trying to think, what else did I get? I also got some more Smart Pop. These are, or Skinny Pop. These are my absolute favorite. They're just like low calorie popcorn. And then I got some of the no salt added blue tortilla chips. Also got some more granola. I got 3 lemons just for until I go to Dallas. I got some chocolate just if I'm feeling something sweet. This is my favorite kind. I also got spinach. I'm about to make a smoothie with this. And I got an avocado. But yeah, so I am going to start making, well actually I'm going to make a smoothie first. Then I'm going to start making my dinner. I'll show you guys what I'm making. It's my new favorite go-to. I probably have it like maybe like once a week, once every other week. It is Parmesan crusted chicken in the air fryer. If you're like me and you love Longhorns, I love their Parmesan crusted chicken. This is kind of my version of it. It's super yummy. So I'm going to make that with the leftover chicken I have. And I'll probably maybe make some rice and some cauliflower and broccoli. And that's what I'll eat for dinner. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish drinking my Starbucks drink I showed you guys and start cooking. I get a lot of questions about what my favorite smoothies are because I used to make a lot, especially when I was on my health journey. So I'll kind of take you guys through what I've been using. Okay guys, so typically I get the frozen fruit from Walmart, but I don't have any of that. So I'm gonna use some frozen bananas I have, some Greek yogurt, and then I'm gonna use some of my spinach I just got, and some protein. So this is the protein I use. I use it because I was on WW. Well, technically I'm still on it, but this is my last month. I decided just for my lifestyle right now and everything I'm doing, I'm going to take a break from it, and I may in the future go back to it. It's a super good program, especially for like portion control if you have problem with that, and just overall diet and exercise. So yeah, so this is the Weight Watchers protein. I'm just going to use what I have left until, you know, I run out and I won't purchase anymore. I'll be adding this spinach. Then here's my bag of bananas, and I'm gonna get my strawberry Greek yogurt and put some of that in there with it. So basically I just put like eggs, it's egg whites, almond flour, and then I'll put Parmesan in another bowl, and I just dip them in there, put them in the air fryer for, I want to say 360 for 10 minutes, flip them over, 10 more minutes, and they're perfect. Okay guys, I just finished cooking. I forgot to put the parchment paper so it didn't cook as well as it usually does, but yeah. So I'm just having that, some broccoli and some mac and cheese, and then just some water, watching some YouTube, and that's about it. Sorry you can't see me, I'm literally so tired. I didn't really drink any caffeine today because I wanted to be able to sleep, because I couldn't really sleep last night. I went to bed at like 4 in the morning, which is so bad. So yeah, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to turn the notification bell on. I should be uploading another video towards the end of the week, probably Saturday or Sunday, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Bye guys.